Hey, what's good on YouTube? Welcome back to TeamViewer Y. So today we're taking a look at the Spigen Rugged Armor case for the Google Pixel 9a. So Spigen was kind enough to send us some of their cases, and we're going to take a quick look at the Spigen Rugged Armor case and what you can expect if you ever decide to get this one for your Pixel 9a. If you want to check it out, I will drop some links below. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the Spigen Rugged Armor case for the Pixel 9a comes with a full TPU design. If you're not familiar with TPU, it's a rubber-like material that's flexible but doesn't stretch or lose its shape, unlike those silicone cases. It does keep its form, and I do like the overall design of this case. It does give you those carbon fiber accents on the rear, and we have a textured back, which is a bit of a change from older Rugged Armor cases. On the sides, you do get some additional grip with these ridges, and the corners of the case are a bit thicker compared to other Spigen cases, which adds a bit of jaw protection, especially if your phone happens to fall on one of its corners. You also get all the proper cutouts for your ports, including the charging port, the speaker grill, and now we get a smaller cutout for the camera window. Now Spigen has also added some rubber inserts on the inside of the Rugged Armor, as well as a MagSafe compatible charging ring, both of which were not previously available on older models of this case, so it's nice to see them on here. And once you get it on the Pixel 9a, it does fit rather nicely. The buttons are pretty tactile, so you're not going to have issues with mushy feeling buttons on this one. And there is a bit of a raised lip around the screen, and like I mentioned earlier, the corners are a bit thicker than the rest of the lip of the phone. And going over to the camera cutout, since the camera is more recessed this time around, there's a bit of space between the camera and surfaces that you're going to place your phone on, so your camera is mostly protected inside that tiny window. Overall though, it's a nice fit. It fits snugly around the Pixel 9a. And again, I do like the carbon fiber accents on here. They're a nice visual touch. And yeah, that is the Spigen Rugged Armor case. If you want to check this one out, I will drop a link in the description below. Those links do help the channel if you want to check them out. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think about this case in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.